Hi, it's Sunday, August 6th, and we just arrived in Phoenix, Arizona for the 2023 North American Division Educators Convention called Something Better. And it is indeed as hot here as it says on the nightly news. And we just played pickleball at Pickleball Kingdom, but don't worry, we were inside air conditioned. We're very excited to be here. We made it to our hotel, the beautiful Embassy Suites in Phoenix, Arizona. I think it is one of the most beautiful embassies that we've ever visited. But here's our presentation, and we've been practicing this for weeks over and over again. We only have an hour and 15 minutes, and we just keep trying to get it within that time frame. We came with 2 suitcases loaded with math manipulatives. It's not everything, but it's a lot. These boxes here are loaded with the ceramic tiles that we use. Everyone will go home with a set of tiles, and we even are doing some giveaways. It weighs about 100 pounds. We have the integer strips that I found from the Scaffolded Math Teacher. I'm so excited to explain those to our teachers using the counters for teaching integers. Excited to teach that too. We're going to play I Hope You Don't Have with multiplication bingo. Oh, we had to bring a bunch of Sharpies. We have 126 people signed up, so we needed a lot of supplies. Oh, we have all the skill boards to do the Marcy Cook skill boards activities. And oh, I see some dominoes. These I think are the algebra dominoes. Yes, these are the algebra dominoes that we brought for our secondary teachers. And I think there's probably more in there, but let's head over here. We have subitizing. I'm going to introduce subitizing to the teachers if they don't know about it already. Oh dear, it's 116 degrees, so things are melting in the car. We have so many Marcy Cook tile packets from all the way to primary to algebra. If you know Marcy Cook, she does it all. We even have money. We brought our Boxcar One-Eyed Jack's books. Oh, more tile. This whole suitcase is full of Marcy Cook tile packets. And oh look, I'm so excited to teach this to our secondary teachers. It's integer bingo, and I looked on TPT, and there are so many algebra bingos too. We don't play regular bingo though. We play I Hope You Don't Have. So this is what we're up to, and we wish you were here. If you're not, if you are here, we're so excited that you are here, where we're trying to help our teachers, empower them to make this an even better math year than their years have been in the past.